Would you like to make money online consistently without having to invest anything upfront? If you've answered yes to that question, you definitely come to the right video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways on how you can make money online without having to invest any money. So I know one of the biggest things that holds a lot of people back from ever really making money online is that they see all these different methods on how to make money online. Start an online business, do Kindle publishing, do drop shipping, do affiliate marketing, do all these different things, but all of these things typically require some form of investment up front. But in this video, I want to show you 3 ways on how you can get started without having to invest any money up front. So if you're excited for this video, as much as I am to, of course, share this information, and you enjoy content like this, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel down below if you haven't done so already, and then this way you could be notified whenever I post a brand new video. Every single day I post new content about how to make money online, different methods, of course, and also how to grow an online business. So if you enjoy videos like that, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into the 3 methods. And if you stay to the very end of this video, I will also be sharing you a bonus that will allow you to make even more money. Another method that will not require any investment upfront. Without further ado, let's get right into the 3 methods. So the very first method that I want to cover in this video is actually by providing local businesses with websites. So if anyone has a local business that they're of course building, like whether they are a dentist, whether they're like a roofer or chiropractor, or pretty much any service-based business, one of the best ways to get more clients and sales in the door is actually by having a website. And what you could do is you could join an affiliate program such as the Bluehost affiliate program, which doesn't cost you anything to get started. You just go to the the Bluehost website, which is right here. And then at the very bottom of the page, there is a link at the bottom that will take you to their affiliate program. It's actually right up here as well. You click on this affiliate link right here. And then this will take you to where you could get signed up as an affiliate for Bluehost. Now, what's really cool about this is that it doesn't cost you anything to sign up, as I had already mentioned. But what you could do is it will give you your own affiliate link to where you could provide that to local businesses. You could say, hey, if you go through my link right here, and you sign up through, you create an account through Bluehost, my hosting platform, then I will create a website for your business completely for free. Now, there's plenty of ways that you could go about this. You can go the option of, you could look at local businesses in your area, and you could, of course, give them a call. Like most of these businesses, like I just searched up, dentist in Kenosha, Wisconsin. That's where I'm from. Most of these businesses, they have a website. But I found 2 here. There is Kyra Family Dental, which is like actually very close to where I'm at, actually. And then there's Armstrong Todd ADDS SC. So these 2 businesses do not have websites currently, and because of that, they're losing out on a lot of money. So a lot of these businesses will be willing to pay, anywhere from $100 to $300 just to have a website built for their businesses. And if you go the method of, you sign up through like an affiliate program, like through Bluehost, and you just give them your affiliate link and just say, hey, if you go through my link and you sign up for Bluehost, I will create a website for you for free. What's great about this is that you don't have to charge them anything personally, but because they go through your affiliate link and you refer them as a customer, Bluehost will actually pay you anywhere from $65 to I think like $125 per sign up that you get into their platform. And then what you could do from there is then you could just build them a website through their account. So that's a very great way on how to get started. And there's also a few other methods you can go about this as well. You could also go on Facebook and you could look at different groups that are about website development. Like if I go into Facebook right here and I look up like groups about like website design and stuff like that, I'm sure I'll find like plenty of groups that I could of course connect with people that are looking for a website. And then from there, I could just offer them to build them a website. So that's pretty much the entire method that you could, of course, go. And it looks like looks like it is kind of loading a bit slowly at the moment. But yeah, that is something that you could, of course, look up. Again, find people that are looking for a website that they need for their business. And then as long as you could be that provider, then that is a great way in how you could, of course, make money online. And even if you may be watching this thinking that, well, what if I've never built a website before? What if I have no experience? Well, there is one method you could actually go if you have no experience doing it. What you could do is you can go on YouTube And you could look up, you could look up something like how to build a WordPress website. You could just search that up online, and then you'll find plenty of videos that will show you how to build a website within, like 30 minutes, like 30 minutes to like an hour. Again, building a website is actually a lot simpler than you might think, especially nowadays with the amount of tools out there. The amount of different plugins you can get, the amount of different themes. It's becoming a lot easier to build up a website, and businesses actually need websites for their business in order if they want to get more sales in the door. I mean, online is really the way to go. So that's the first method that you can go to make money online. Next one is actually by selling t-shirts online. So there's actually a really cool website for this called Teespringcom. And what you could do here is you could actually create your own t-shirt designs, and then you could sell them on sites like Facebook. And I'll actually show you exactly how to do this in just a minute. But so this is the website right here, and on this website you could pretty much see exactly what shirts are known to sell really, really well. So we've got Ranch, Cool Ranch, Inhale, Exhale, Renewable Energy, which is a really cool one. A Meowica, that's kind of weird. AA Battery Funny T-shirt. Hi, my name is Rob and I'm a battery. Okay. So that's one cool one there. Again, there's a lot of really cool designs, and what you could do is you can go inside of this platform. You could go to the Sell Anything tab, and then you can go through the process of creating your own t-shirt. And if you don't know exactly, how to go about this, again, you could just look in different Facebook groups, look up something like, where is it? Let me see if I could find that real quick. I had it up right here. It's Awesome T-Shirt Designs. This is a really cool Facebook page. And here you could find different t-shirt designs that have been known to, of course, people really enjoy, and they're willing to, of course, buy a t-shirt of that. So if I look through here, I'll see plenty of designs about, cool t-shirts. So never underestimate an old man who can. What do we say to the god of death? Not today. Okay. I'm a Chick-fil-A holic. That's a really cool one. He. Eat more beef. Okay. Chick-fil-A. Okay, Chick-fil-A. A lot of shirts about Chick-fil-A. I will eat Chick-fil-A here or there. I will eat Chick-fil-A everywhere. I think this is a really cool shirt right here. The cat in a hat with Chick-fil-A. So what you could do is you could just create a t-shirt inside of Teespring.com and just model exactly what you see there. Just go through the process, take some time to, of course, learn how to design your own t-shirt. And then what you could do is, depending on the niche that you, of course, created a t-shirt in, whether it's about health and wellness, whether it's about money, whether it's about, relationships, whether it's about, Chick-fil-A or whatever the case is, you can go into, a group about t-shirts, and then you could put up a post saying something like, hey, what do you think of this t-shirt design? You could provide your picture and then have like a link like, should I buy this? And then if someone sees that, they might end up checking out the shirt and actually buying it for themselves. So people buy t-shirts because, well, they of course like what is on the shirt. They want something that of course represents something that they believe in. So if you can create a good shirt that, has a phrase that people, of course, a lot of people will believe in, then it's a great way in how you could, of course, make money with virtually no money to invest up front. And the cool thing about Teespring is that they will pretty much take care of all of the the selling, the fulfillment, all the shipping and all that type of stuff for you. So you don't have to deal with any shipping or anything like that. You just have to create the shirt yourself, set your price, and then you just get people to your link of the t-shirt. So that's pretty much how to sell t-shirts online. And then the third method is actually through Directly.com. This is actually a work from home type of job here, and this one I wanted to mention in this video because I believe it's one of the coolest, one of the more underrated work at home websites. But on this website, they don't necessarily advertise anywhere that you could actually work from home, but they work with other companies, other big companies like Microsoft. Companies like, I think Sony they work with, PlayStation, they work with Airbnb, they also work with, YouTube, a bunch of other, big companies that you could, of course, work with. LinkedIn's another one that they work with, but basically what you would want to do is you would want to type in Directly.com/apply, And then right before Directly.com, you want to type in any name of a company that you could pretty much think of. So if you consider yourself an expert at, say like YouTube, for example, let's say that you have lots of experience using YouTube, you've been using it for a number of years, and you are also, maybe you create content for YouTube as well. So you could type in YouTube, and then to be followed by .directly.com/apply. When you search this up, it will take you to a page that looks just like this. This is where you can, of course, sign up to become an expert for YouTube. And basically all you would be doing from here is you would just be answering questions that people have of YouTube. So people would be asking questions on a daily basis, how do I upload a video? I'm having some sort of issue with, this or whatever the case is. And if you have an answer that you could provide, then you could just write your answer. And the great thing about this is you don't have to, of course, talk with people on the phone. So you see, questions, written out, and you could just answer questions that you feel comfortable answering yourself, and if anything that you actually know the answer to, or you could take time to, of course, look the answer up and see if you can provide a good quality answer. And the more questions you, of course, answer, the more money you make. And this, I'd say it pays around like a little under like $1 per question that you answer, which I know may not sound like a lot, but keep this in mind. If you treat this as like a full-time job, like let's say that you decide to, work at this like 8 hours in a day or something like that. Again, you would just be, either on the computer, or they even have an app on your phone that you can get on your app store, where you could download that, and then you could just answer questions pretty much on the go. And anytime that you answer a question, you get paid like a small commission, which, if you continue to do that, rather consistently, it is something that can definitely add up over time. So it's a great way in how to make money by pretty much becoming an expert of, any company that you consider yourself, knowledgeable in, and you just answer questions. So that is, I believe this is one of the coolest ways on how to make money. And the other great thing about this is that they accept a lot of people. If you apply to this, there's a very, huge chance that you will get accepted pretty much right away. The only thing is that they will have you, of course, take some sort of like test. They'll have you go through a bit of like training to like kind of, teach you about like how to answer questions, like how to introduce yourself. So there is like a method that you have to learn with that. But other than that, this is a really cool site to consider checking out. Again, you just type in the name of a company, .directly.com/apply. So those are the top 3 ways on how to make money online with no investment. And now at the end of this video, I want to share what is the bonus on how to make even more money. So the method that I want to share in this is, as a bonus, it is something known as Launchjacking. Now there's 2 really cool websites that you could check out for this. There's Muncheye.com, and then there's also another one called JVNotifyPro.com. So these are the 2 websites that you could, of course, check out. And both of these websites, they pretty much work the same. They showcase what new products are about to be released to the marketplace. So this is primarily like, like affiliate products like on ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. These are big affiliate marketplaces. And what you could do is you could actually promote one of these products before it gets released to the marketplace. Now, what's really cool about this is that a lot of these products, especially these ones here that are listed in the big launches, when these first get launched to the marketplace, there's going to be a lot of people doing research on these products. And since it's completely brand new, there isn't going to be as much competition as there would be with, the product that's been out for a long time. So what you could do is you could set up an entire YouTube channel, and you could decide to, you get like a screen recorder, kind of like what I'm using right here. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to do these videos. And I also have this Blue Yeti mic, which is how I, of course, record audio. But basically all I do is I record videos like this, where I'm recording my computer screen. And what you could do is you could review some of these products on your YouTube channel. So to get access to one of these products, all you have to do is just click on one of them. Like for example, the 9th of January, there's this product here called Clipman AI, and it will pay out a 50% commission of like $47, like half of that, for one single sale that you make. Or there's like even like this one, Meat VO, it will be priced at $97, and it'll pay out a 50% commission. So I could check out like this product, for example, right? I can go to the JV page, and then at the very bottom of the page, they will have a section. Usually they'll have a section to where you could actually contact one of the owners of this offer right here. So I could just scroll down to the very bottom. At the bottom, there should be a link. Let me pause that video real quick. Okay, we paused that. So at the very bottom of the page, there should be a section somewhere where you could, you can contact the owner, Neil Napier, either on Facebook or Skype. And so what you would want to do is we would want to, of course, contact them on Facebook. You write them a personal message, and then you say something along the lines of, hey, I just saw the product that you're, of course, launching to the marketplace. Would you be open to providing me with a review copy? You know, you could say something along those lines. And in many cases, a lot of these product owners, they'll be open to providing you with a free copy that you could, of course, review for your YouTube channel, or you could even do it like on a website. So it's a great way in how to, make sales with affiliate products if you are completely brand new to affiliate marketing. Anyways, those are the top 3 or top 4 methods on how to make money online without having to invest anything. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a like, and also be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below. Are there any of these methods, do you plan on actually doing any of them? Like, let me know in the comments down below if you plan on actually getting started with, either selling websites, Teesprings, or maybe you decide to check out Directly.com, which is a really cool work from home site. But anyways, hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about how to really create more of a passive income online where you could be working on your own terms and actually creating more of a life of freedom, then my #1 link down down the description will give you access to my free training I put together, and that goes more into depth about how to really create a passive income through affiliate marketing. So that's pretty much what I like talking about on this channel. It's all about affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is the my number one recommendation on how to make money online. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely be sure to check out my free training down below. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.